Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are showing you a JUTC bus that broke down. This is one of the buses that was refurbished. It's an articulated bus and we are on Washington Boulevard. Now we want to ask you guys a question. Should the JUTC continue to refurbish these old buses or should they just continue using new buses? So over the last couple of years, the JUTC has brought in between 200 and 300 new buses. Work perfectly. Some are CNG, some are buses. Some are CNG, some are diesel. But they also embarked on a project to refurbish 105 buses. The program focuses on 105 buses that were out of service or aging. These buses are being repaired and upgraded in phases. The first phase includes 25 Golden Dragon buses, 30 articulated buses, the one that we're looking at is one of the 30, and 50 Volvo B7R buses. These buses are between 14 and 15 years old, but after refurbishment they can continue operating for several more years. Now, a bus that's 15 years old. Guys, what do you think about these refurbished buses? Alright guys, we're going to give you an update on the refurbishing of buses, the program. The refurbishing of buses by the Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC, is an important program by the government of Jamaica to improve public transportation without having to purchase all new buses. Refurbishing means repairing, upgrading and rebuilding older buses so they can return to service and operate safely again. The JUTC has faced a shortage of buses for commuters in the Kingston metropolitan area, including routes serving places like Halfway Tree, Portmore and Spanish Town. At times, only about 175 buses were operating daily, which is below the number needed to meet passenger demand. To address this problem, the government decided to refurbish older buses while also purchasing new ones. The program focused on 105 buses that were out of service or aging. These buses are being repaired and upgraded in phases. The fleet includes 25 Golden Dragon buses, 30 articulated buses, and 50 Volvo B79 buses. These B7R buses. 50 Volvo B7R buses. These buses are between 14 and 15 years old, but after refurbishment they can continue operating for several more years. The refurbishing process usually includes engine repairs or replacement, interior upgrades, exterior repairs, and safety improvements. Manufacturers and local dealers assist with these upgrades so the buses meet safety standards again. Refurbishing buses is much cheaper than buying new ones. A new bus can cost US $200,000 to $300,000. Refurbishing costs about 30 to 40% of the price of a new bus. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.